If you are on thyroid medication like Thyronorm, and with each visit to your endocrinologist, you're getting a higher dose of thyroid medication, you're moving up from 25 to 50 to 75 and even 125 mcg, then hear me out. Managing hypothyroidism goes beyond levothyroxine. The root cause must be addressed. First, you have to rule out undiagnosed Hashimoto's disease, which is one of the primary causes of hypothyroidism. It is an autoimmune disease of the thyroid gland where your immune cells start attacking your own thyroid tissue as if it's the enemy. So instead of just getting a TSH test, ask your doctor to prescribe a full thyroid panel that also includes thyroid antibodies like anti-TPO and anti-TG antibodies. Here are some key signs that you should watch out for: fatigue, dry skin and hair, cold sensitivity, constipation, depression, muscle aches, and obviously weight gain. And these are the key nutrients you need to optimize because they are all critical for the conversion of T4 into T3 and optimal thyroid health. Now some of you will be like, but doctor, I have a well-balanced diet and I still struggle with thyroid disease. Then you could be having gut dysbiosis, a leaky gut which could be sending toxins to your thyroid gland, or low stomach acid which reduces absorption of thyroid nutrients and fuels autoimmunity. For this, you need to restore gut health with prebiotics, probiotics, fiber, work on increasing your stomach acid and have an anti-inflammatory diet. Next, you have to avoid these toxins which are potential endocrine disruptors: fluoride, perchlorate and fluorine. These mimic iodine and compete for uptake in the thyroid. So avoid processed foods, restrict exposure to plastics and pesticide-laden food. You must be thinking fluoride is good for teeth, right? Fluoride actually displaces iodine in the thyroid gland, disrupting hormone synthesis. So check your drinking water for fluoride and be mindful of your toothpaste and mouthwash as well, as daily use of mouthwash is linked to increased fluoride intake. To summarize it all, support your thyroid's natural function by optimizing key nutrients, testing comprehensively, removing toxins and healing your gut. And usually when these are well taken care of, constitutional homeopathic treatment can show great results in case of hypothyroidism. And that's how you go beyond thyroxine towards true thyroid recovery.